In this tutorial in Cyberlink PowerDirector, we're going to look at a new tool for 365 subscribers called AI Enhancement. What it does is it's supposed to take your video and make the video a lot crisper, a lot clearer by doing some AI work on the actual video. Let me show you the issue we have on this video on track number 1. I have this gal talking on the phone, and when I play it, it's not bad, but it looks a little bit fuzzy, a little indistinct. When I go to the next clip, that looks a lot more sharper, a lot clearer. So what I'd like to do in this case is go back to the first clip and sharpen this up by using the tool. Let's see if it works or not. I've never used it before, but we're going to experiment together. So I'm going to highlight clip number 1 on track number 1, and then click on the Edit button above the timeline. When I'm in the video section on the upper left side, one of the options I have is AI Video Enhancement. That's our new tool. Let's click on it and see what happens. Now what I find out is that I have some elements at the top. It tells me the number of credits I have. One thing I did not know earlier is that you can go to this screen or any screen that uses credits and click on the gift box once a day. When you click there, it will give you 3 more credits. Now I've used that for today, so I'm just going to close this window out, but normally it would be adding 3 credits per day, and that's how you can add credits for free. Now it tells me that the cost of this tool is 1 credit per second. And so right now I have a 15-second length. I don't need 15 seconds to test it out. Let's get the length down just to about 10 seconds. And now I will use 10 credits because I'm going to apply it to 10 seconds. Let's see how it works. I'm going to click on Enhance. And there's an example. I can turn that off to not show again. I'll click on OK. Now it's going to upload the video and apply the credits and then download the changes. We'll pause the recording until we see the final result. Now PowerDirector will tell you that it will send you an email when the processing is finished. And I'm going to click on Got It. 3 minutes to start. We'll see how long it takes before I get my finished product. Now it shows me that my AI video enhancement is ready. I'll click on View Result. And it says it's viewable for 30 days. Let's click on the Add to Timeline. And now it added it at the very beginning of the timeline. And so what I want to do, let's compare both of them side by side. I've applied a mask to one of the clips, and we have the original one on the left and the enhanced one on the right. Now watch what happens as I move the mask. You're going to see a change from the enhanced version back to the original. Look at her eyes, look at her nose, her lips, and her hair. And so you have a little bit less clarity, even applying to this area here or the picture. So there is some positive change when you use this tool as we go back and forth. Now when it looks at the guy in the background, there's not a lot of change because he's out of focus anyway because of the focal length of the camera. But if I did want to enhance the gal, we'll drag across one more time. You do see some very positive changes when it comes to the AI enhancement. The process does cost some credits, but you can get enough of them for free to do some short editing. We hope you find this helpful as you think about using this particular tool when it comes to new techniques available in Cyberlink PowerDirector.